The XStar. Even the haters will admit there's never been a boat that's had more influence not only on wakeboarding, but on water sports as a whole. It was the first to do this, first to put the engine here, and it was the first boat truly designed for wakeboarding. It launched new tricks, new lifestyles, even new tattoos. And now we're launching a new chapter. Want me to move? Welcome to the new XStar. 25 years in the making, and at the risk of sounding cliche, it's the boat that started it all. Our first priority, always being a MasterCraft. What does that mean? 60 years of building the best boats, the best wakes, the best memories. It defined wakeboard progression. And then came wakesurfing. Wakesurfing changed everything. We added these, innovated this, and perfected these. The ability to adjust your wave to fit any riding style, from this to this, and everything in between. Wakesurfing introduced an experience that was all new to towboats. It brought us closer moments, more laughter, and a sport you can do from age 5 to 85. And then we took the XStar even further. MasterCraft has always been known to be the most comfortable. Wait till you get a load of this. Now you see it, now you don't. Where do you put your keys? How about here? Wet vest? Here. We built luxury into every inch of the most badass wake and wave machine on the market. Have a seat in one and you'll agree. Now let's talk sound. The new XStar has more speakers than anything else out there. You'll find them here, here, and here. And these on the transom? We call this system Max. 2 subwoofers and 6 transom speakers to deliver superior sound where it matters most. You can call it whatever you want, we call it revolutionary. In total, the XStar has a powerhouse combination of 6 subwoofers, 20 speakers, and 7 customizable zones, pumping out over 4,700 watts of power. Is that a lot? You could say that. Turn off zones, turn on zones, off, on, side, back, tower only, helm, you name it, the XStar delivers. Now, if you think the audio system is impressive, have you ever heard a supercharged engine? What does it take to make the new XStar scream? 630 horsepower, that's what. Torque? Doesn't matter what it means, but this boat's got plenty of it. The message is simple. While we're launching a new chapter, the new XStar is pure MasterCraft.